should've let you know that you're my only one. I know you're feeling.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a everyday makeup routine quarantine edition. As y'all can see, my skin is doing its thing. I don't know what the hell is going on with it, but yeah. So I'm gonna talk in a little bit in the beginning, and then once I get to like my foundation and like concealers and stuff, I'm just gonna make it like a montage. So I'm only gonna talk in the beginning while I'm just priming, because I feel like it's nice to have, you know, some talks, you know, in there. So pretty much, I don't know what has been going on with me lately. I've been in this slum where like I really don't want to do anything. Not do anything, but like I just don't have, like, I just haven't been in a good mood. And I go through these stages like a lot. Like I don't know why I'm like in a bad mood or something, and it really like affects me badly because like I just get so mad that I'm like not in a good mood, because I like to be positive and stuff like that, and then certain times I'm just like, there's only so much I can do. Okay, I know this is not gonna be, I'm gonna list all the products in the montage, but I didn't really list what I was priming with. So this is the Origins eye cream, the ginseng eye cream. This stuff is like good stuff. And then I'm using the moisturizer, and then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Did I get this off of TikTok? Yes, I did. Anyway, back to our talk. So layately I've been just sad. Oh my god, like it's depressive, because I don't know why I'm sad. I just know that I'm not feeling it. I don't know, I thought it'd be good. One thing I like to do when I'm like really sad or like kind of in a bad mood, I always like to think of something positive that's happened, or like something that like can cheer me up. One, I found a good show to watch. I'm watching Outer Banks on Netflix. It's actually pretty good. I was actually gonna watch it while I was doing my makeup, but I was like, you know, I'll probably get distracted. Then I finished all my like college finals this week, and I made 100 on my essay. Like I made an A on all my finals, and now now that the class has ended, I have an A in all of them, which is so good, and I'm so blessed. You know, I'm happy about that. So I guess that's like a positive thing. Anyway, that's all the little talk I had to tell y'all. If you guys are in a bad mood, or like y'all don't feel like y'all are having a good day, I promise everything is gonna be okay. You just gotta be positive and find something positive to do, or something that'll make your day. Like I say something positive out loud, that makes me, I guess that's like a positive affirmation. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. All the products will pop up on the screen, but I'll also link them down below where you can buy them. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Alexa. Oh, damn, my Alexa is unplugged.
Never know what to say. It never seems to go our way. Oh, but every time you see me, know that I'm still the same.
Okay.
Time you come around, I feel so good, so good, so good, so good. But every time you leave, I wish you never would. You would. I just wanna tell you that you make me feel at home. like you are alone. We got something good, don't we? With my head rest, bed set, lying, doing nothing out the blue, don't we? Go together like two peas in a pod. No, my love is no facade. I love to hear just how you're feeling. Love to dive into your heart. Take me under, pull me up, and then we flying through the stars. Every time it's like magic just being with you. Every day is just a blessing when I see you. Every time you come around, I feel so good, so good, so good, so good, so good. But every time you leave, I wish you never would. You would, you would, you would.
That is my makeup routine. It's really just natural. Like, I don't do too much. I barely even put on lip gloss. I just did it for this video, but usually I just put on chapstick, and normally I don't even do my makeup since I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, I usually am just showing on that. And I think the only time I really do my makeup is if I have like a Zoom meeting, or like if I want to feel productive. I may just to get myself like ready for the day, but most of the time, yeah, no, I don't really do my makeup too much. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so sorry I'm not in like the most positive, cheery mood that I am for the rest of these videos, but I promise next week I will be in a way better mood. Right now I'm just not feeling it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day or a great night or whatever. But anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe. I love you. Bye.
I should let you know that you're my only one. I know you're feeling